We're watching this brand new 88 Princess. Make sure you know this is a 360 video. Move your phone around, move your mouse around. You can stop and look around at any time. Welcome aboard the 88 Princess, brand new, just arrived. Here it is at the show in Miami. A couple cool new features on this boat.
The key here is
The key here is what?
we normally have a two-seater settee on this side. They wanted extra storage, so we've gone for a full storage unit on the side. 40-meter coffee table, so we wanted more storage again.
Right.
Plus we've shrunk back the carpet, so it's a better walkway. You're not going to wear carpet out quite with the flow of traffic. And you've got the V-groove wood as well. And the big difference here, the first time we've ever done it, is the drop-down bulkhead between the galley and the
Right.
Yeah, I just think that opens it up.
So here you are in the galley, along with the helm area. This is what he's talking about. This is a drop down to open it up, but also give you serving, but also let you kind of see and open the whole boat up a lot more.
I'm going to re-engineer the whole galley. So that's going to be there,
Right.
sink's going to be there, so it'll repump the whole lot.
Well, and back over here you got full.
We use the door, so normally there's a door here, but at least you can press the button and if you are having a dinner party.
Right.
The door slides into a pocket.
Yeah.
Oh, pocket's now coming over there.
So back to the helm.
Yeah.
Depending how you're going to use the boat.
Day head right here.
People.
As we go down into quarters. Of course, we got mid-beam master back here. Set it down so you can quit being dizzy and look around a little bit. TV, windows, and remember I'm 6'2", so the headroom as you walk around here is really quite impressive.
This client went for a pretty fancy bathroom as well. She's got mother of pearl, freshwater mother of pearl bathroom.
Wow.
She wanted a bit of an event.
Yeah, beautiful. I know. I always say that you're going to a high-end hotel, and that's what this should look like.
Yeah, exactly.
Because that's what you're used to staying in when you're at this level of buying a boat. So this is a high-end hotel, bathroom head. Absolutely.
And again, no seating on there.
So it is a 4-stateroom boat. In here, you see the Pullman's already down in this one. Another head, so there's heads everywhere. And then there's also a forward VIP as such up here. Still got great headroom, great walk-around ability, great windows out the sides. And of course, you got the head back over there. We'll go up to the bridge at this point. An 88.
Yep.
So owner operates.
And then we'll have somebody to clean it.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah, the captain is really a cleaner.
Yeah, and when you're having a party, let somebody else take over.
Right.
We have a power swim deck as well.
Yep.
So tender on the back, tender up here,
Yeah, we'll get
jet skis up here.
What's the capacity on this big one?
500 kilos.
And in the US, that's
Some pounds.